Nteto ni shiingi rwa imbo rwa ngwataniro ya Athinjiri rwa NCCK muthenya wa umuthi ni maumiritie na kumeneria banene abunge maria makuga makareta RWARIA rwa kweberia miaka ya utungata wa RAIS makiaria na ndikimantito matongoretwe ni mukarigite wa Bishop Njeru Nyaga. Athinjiri mama BARIUGA RWARIA rero tibaterie kwithirwa bo da ino akenya maukurukira mathina mamengi mawagi wa into cia bata imingi BARIUGA bamwe na kwithirwa maria mari na RWARIA ruru ni kioto kiao ya katiba ni kionaniria kia atongoria maria akenya mathurire mieri 3 mithiru rita mwanike mushiri na nteto tariria.
Ruvunge rwa National Council of Churches of Kenya ni ruraruta mavitia mumbunge wa Fafi niwe Sala Yakub ni undu wa kwendekithia ati gukorwe na kurutwo kwa watho uria urauga ati muthamaki wa bururi ndakathane makiria tamu igiri akirathiria wira wake. Sala arendekithia muthamaki wa bururi arikagie wira wake akinyia miaka 75 niguo kumuvakanya ga kwambiriria na kurikiriria mirandi ngurani ya uthii wa na mbere bururi-ri. No ati miario iria atongoria a makanitha marauga ndiri na kiguni gwa kavinda gaka na kuria atongoria kwirumbuia na mirandi ngurani ya uthii wa na mbere kuria mathurirwe.
Of the opinion that it is untimely at this particular moment in time. It is coming too soon after we have elected the current government. They have not even done their job. They have not even attended to issues that they said they would attend to in their manifestos. Our people are hurting and are hungry. We have many things which are going wrong, and as many people are aware, even our coffers are empty. So it is our urge that our parliamentarians should not misplace their focus at this particular time.
Na varia avunji aya marathi na mbere kuga ati gucenjia miaka iria muthamaki wa bururi akwathana ni gukuthukia wiathi uria a Kenya mari naguo gwa kavinda gaka na gukuria andu onthe gutigana na iciria riu.
And even in future it should not arise. Kenyans have suffered a lot for this democracy that we have enjoyed for the last 20 years. So it's our prayer that this thing need not occur or arise. It's too early.
Ni maragia miario ino varia marai na gikaro na andiki ya movoro iguru ria uthii wa na mbere wa bururi. Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Hau nibo tukurekeria nteto cia Weru thaa imwe ni wega nontu akona kanya na kurumira nteto cietu. Nteto ciengino na cia Kenya thaa 3:30 mbitagwa Christine Wanjeru mwananeria wetu wa mathithio utuko monde ni Maureen Kome utukathie no akono ntonyu menda kingi tukurasha ni mubango wa gikaro na county.